This is my backyard. It's a giant disaster. I've started picking up some of the weeds and I just haven't had the chance to finish. It's probably one of the coolest days, the last coolest days that we're gonna get here in Arizona. So it is time to finally clean it up, get it ready for summer. I would love to do like a flower garden in here, but before we can even plan on what we're gonna do with the backyard, I have to get it cleaned up. I just gotta get done as much as I can before it gets too hot. 9:19 now, so let's see how long it takes for me to at least just clean up the weeds behind me.
Let's meet down at the lonely lake before summer has gone away. Swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun, colored with shades of white.
I got quite a bit of the weeds done, but there are now bees in the weeds. There's still some flowers on the weeds, so I don't want to disturb them because I am allergic to bees, and they're also hanging out in our orange tree. So I'm going to finish this up in the morning tomorrow. I'm just gonna get up really early before the bees come out. It's 9:37, so I'll probably come out at like 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. That way I can beat the bees and then I can actually spend time like picking everything up. I'm pretty happy with my progress. I would say I got 90% of it done in 15 minutes. That's pretty good. Good morning, it's the next day. We're going to finish these weeds. There's no bees out right now. It's 7 a.m. So let's see how long this takes.
Goodbye to last summer. Cold air coming away soon. So let's lay under the falling moon. Tell me something about yourself. You've never told to no one else. Say goodbye to lonely nights last summer.
We have all of the weeds picked up, so now I'm going to leaf blow underneath the tree. I leaf blew where all the weeds were. I'll probably go over again just to be sure, and then we're gonna scoop up all of the leaves and just make it look much nicer than it currently looks, less dirty. Well, my leaf blower died. The leaf blower died, so I'm going to use the rake and get as much leaves as I can and use the shovel to put them in a trash can. So I guess we'll just do that now.
Have you heard about summer snow? When it falls on you, your blood runs cold. But don't you sweat your...
I'm going to shovel this pile of leaves into the trash now. I think this is all that I can get in the trash.
Cause it melts away for it sinks in. And you dream about this very night when the moon runs down the summer sky. Could it be the morning of the spring when the sea runs dry and start to sing? Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you going back when nothing seemed to be a drag. You ran until your legs gave way, then you cried and got back up again.
Does this not look a million times better? I'm so happy with this. I think the last thing I'm gonna do is hang this new light fixture out on the patio. We've not had a light on this patio literally since we've lived here for 6 years. Now it's time to hang this bad boy up. If you've never hung up a light fixture, it's really, really easy. Just make sure there's no power going to the power source. And then you match black wire to black wire, white wire to white wire, and ground. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to show you as best as I can because it's kind of in a weird spot so that you can at least see me put it up.
And it's real to think that I could fly across a broken bridge in the fading light. Never thought ahead of my 2 feet. Never had a care in the world, you see. Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around.
Okay, so that basically completes what we have going on in the yard now. I've tidied everything up. It's as good as it's going to be for the summer, which is kind of what I wanted. I wanted it to be nice and clean for the summer, or clean-ish, just not overgrown and excessively dirty. It doesn't look that drastic to me, but this is how my yard's been, you know, for 6 years since we've lived here. So the weeds are better, the leaves are better, and I'm pretty happy with how tidy it is. I'm glad I got that light fixture in because we haven't had one for 6 years. Thank you so much for watching. Again, sorry that it was like anticlimactic, but it needed to be done. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it gave you motivation to clean your backyard. I will see you in the next video.
Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. Have you heard from the sky?